Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Goan Food Court. Today's special on our menu is potato sausages. It is one of the easiest and the quickest recipe. There are just 7 things which goes into it. As I have said before, potato sausages. So you already know which are the 2 things. To know the remaining 5 things, let's start cooking. For this, I have taken 12 sausages. It's the Goan sausages, 1 green chili, 1 large potato, 1 onion, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of Recheado Masala. I have made a separate video on Recheado Masala. Please check in the description box for the link. And the last thing is half cup of water. First, wash the sausages well and cut them in pairs. So altogether I have 12 sausages with me. Slit the green chili. Slice the onions. So that you slice the onion very fine as you can. Cut the potatoes in large cubes. Now I'm going to add all this in the pressure cooker. I'll add sausages, green chilies, potatoes, onions. We are going to add it later on. Half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon Recheado Masala, and half cup of water. So all goes into it. Mix it well. And let it pressure cook for 2 whistles. You can cook it on a medium flame. While we are waiting for 2 whistles, the potatoes are doing their job of absorbing the flavor from the Recheado Masala and the sausages. Now you can also use the open vessel, but it takes much longer time, maybe for 30 minutes. This is much quick and easy. Potatoes are done. Now it's time to add the onions. Mix it well and let it cook on a medium flame till it is dry. Mix it well and let it cook on a medium to high flame till it is dry. This recipe is inherited from my mother-in-law and she cooks it perfectly just like this. It's loaded with taste. Meanwhile, I enjoy my recipe. You go in your kitchen and try out this recipe. Please let me know in the comment section, share, like and subscribe. Till then, be active, stay healthy.